Hi, I'm Laurel of Five Sense Healing and the Fairy Den, and I just want to share a little bit with you about this 4-hour workshop connecting with crystals. In this class over the evening, you will get to choose 2 different stones to meditate with, and I will guide you on journeys to bring you into a deeper connection with the stones. And through that process, we start to understand that innate wisdom that we all hold within us of connecting to the stones and finding how each stone will work with us specifically. As part of the course, I also gift you 3 stones to take home with you. And you can use these stones for further study and retention of some of the ideas of how to bring crystals more into your everyday life. We'll touch a little bit on the science of how crystals work with the body, and we will wrap up with care and cleaning and some reference books and just any questions that you have. So please join us for this amazing color and energy healing experience where we bring in deeper connection to ourselves and the natural world.